So I was able to finally buy some milk from grocery kanina. So today, gagawa tayo ng kape. Since magsa-study din ako, since next week is our midterm exams, something like that. So first is just a little bit more. Ang bango rin. I have here my ice because it's in a shape of anyway, hindi naman iinom, so iinom ko yan. So yan. Wait na. So this is my iced coffee. So a little bit condensed para mamatay tayo sa katamisan. Anyway, that's it. I don't know if nagsa-start na pero kasi naka-timer. Pero ito siya.
And I don't know if na-show yung gata niya. Pero kasi nakabukas siya sa kita niya. Anyway, first step, hindi ko siya natin masarap. Wow. I don't think you could something go wrong with the coffee milk. Anyway, try pa natin. Wait. Yeah, that's iced coffee. See, I did this one, iced coffee. I did make one when I was in Tough. I don't want to drink all of this already because I have to study and I have to have this. You know, just make it more. Ganon yung pag-study ko tonight. Pero masarap siya honestly. Hindi na siya nabenta rin ng mais. Parang milk tapos parang may coffee. Then may nabenta siya ng ayos. Anyway. Yeah. I don't want to be upset. I think I have a love and hate relationship with coffee because sometimes I love them just like today, just like tonight. But then most of the time, I don't drink coffee. Tapos, yeah, I always order matcha when I'm on site. But at home, hindi lang ang benta tonight. I love it. Anyway, let's go study. Ito ko yung bilin. May ilaw naman. Pero,
the other hand, meron tayong mas specific audit procedures. Yung ito, you have your inquiry, observation, confirmation, inspection, analytical procedures, re-performance, recalculation, ilan na to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, diba? 7 na-discuss naman natin ito nung video.
Nakapag-skin prep na ako, so magbe-makeup na ako ngayon. And today, pupunta ako ng Cubao kasama sila May. Mag-uukay kami. And kasama din namin yung friend niya, si Mikaela. And 1 PM kami makikita doon sa Gateway. I think Gateway kami makikita. And magte-train na lang ako. Hindi na ako mag-ano. Kasi may way din na parang papuntang Cubao through land transpo, pero
That's a great idea, Angel. I love all of these stories. I think we should write what we know, right?
I think that the Indeed Bear is writing about her friends in school. Should we write about that? Where should we go?
I want to go somewhere that's kind of nice and free flow.
Onto the activities.
hindi ako sure if magmamaskara pa. Pero kasi pag natap,
Decide together which one we like the most.
pag na lang, okay na ako. This is the final look. Hindi lang halata yung blush ko, pero pakak yan, guys. Tapos magdi-lipstick na lang ako. And
Sing like so.
papunta, aalis na rin ako. Kasi 12 na eh.
Okay, let's do that.
And I'm back to punch.
Ito yung dadalhin ko, guys.
See how I did it? I took my time, made sure that it rhymed. Yeah. Alright, so try that on your time. Do you understand my fingers over
Kailangan
here
ko
without me
ito.
saying? I got you.
Pera.
3, 2, 1, go.
And charger. Kailangan ko. Ayan. Phone. Earphone.
I'm ready to see if the boys do yo.
Tayo. Kasi parang let's leave na everyone. I-show ko lang din yung ano ko, outfit ko sa iyo. Saan ko? This is hard. Sige, ito na lang. It's only 35 pesos. 70 na agad. Grabe. Dalawa lang. Mahal pa siya. Isa lang. Ano kaya yung pinaka? Ay, 55. 45 lang. I'm only going to buy some foods. Siguro mag-check out na ako. Wala naman nakabibig. Yan, check out na ako. O baka magbili ako cat food. Ay, wala na akong pera.
Marami pang mura nun eh.
Pero ngayon parang nag-die down na rin naman eh.
Best example niya is yung Lost Atlas.
Sarap.
Plato is not here.
Kailan ka alis?
There was
Friday. Ay, sorry.
Friday?
that existed. But no one ever acted.
Try mo lang.
Iniisip ko kung attend ako ng ng concert.
Ano mo?
Dito. Kaso parang...
Try mo!
Ayo, parang hindi ko naman kilala ulit yung mga...
Kasi isang best example niya.
Yung ganun, di ba? Parang last time, hindi ko kilala, pero gustuhan ko naman.
Mm.
It was
Yung Peter Carmo, parang nung afternoon, doon ko na lang sila na kilala.
no one had any idea.
Tikman ko.
Mm.
Sarap siya.
Nasa
Pero
siyang
nalaman nila
matcha.
if they did somewhere in Turkey. Alam mo ba yun? Hinahanap sila artilo na seryoso na if they have this. Wala pang certain. Pero
may tea siya.
all evidences. Yung mga
Pero
masarap.
Oo.
pointed
Feeling ko may tea yung mismong chiffon.
pero the thing is parang layers upon layers. Kumbaga after
Hindi ko alam, baka wala.
so kung